my brother, healing. Oh, don't eat that, eat this. This will help you on that, it'll help your digestive system, or you got a headache, or, natural law. What the fuck is wrong with motherfuckers? You already know you got these pale people fucking with us now because this going on. I don't like him. And if you ain't on my team, I don't like you either. Fine. You're not putting food on my table, motherfucker.
Facts.
And vice versa. But at the same time, what y'all need to do also, I want to remind you of this, the super chat, because I will donate to y'all too. Hey, this brother took his time out. How many hours it was, I don't know. But the shit y'all put together, I knew it took a lot of fucking time. Why can't you can't send that man or that woman $10 here, $5 there? They took their time out to bring some great information to you to help save your country ass, right? And you can't get this man that, but you gonna go buy some weed, or you gonna go buy some liquor, or you gonna go do whatever the fuck you do. I'm just being decadent right there. But you need to put a super chat. All our brothers and sisters across the pond, in the islands, whatever. Hey man, here go $10. Here go $5. Because you took time out to go. I gathered all this badass information. I'm gonna bring it to you. It's free. Just pay attention, right? It's not about, oh, he's begging or she. No, throw some change in a fucking pocket. Because, and you got what you call them from the black pro shit bullshit,